Welcome to all my dear friends in this video. Today we are going to prepare, perform and submit the effervescent granules. Let's see the requirements. In chemicals we need 4.018 gram sodium phosphate, 9.498 gram sodium bicarbonate, 5.04 gram tartaric acid and last 3.24 gram citric acid. Then in apparatus we need a motor pestle, two sieves, one of number 8 and another of number 20, a gas burner for giving the water bath, two beakers, a funnel, a stirrer and a porcelain dish. Let's see the principle of the experiment. Effervescent granules are used as saline cathartics. The formulation generally consists of ingredient which is capable of releasing CO2 or agent which induces release of CO2. Effervescent granules are generally prepared from citric acid and tartaric acid rather than from a single acid. Citric acid alone results in sticky mixture difficult to granulate during manufacturing. Then the formulation table is given in which the ingredients are given with their quantity required, which we have discussed earlier, and their uses are also given. Then in procedure, first of all clean all the glasswares and mix the weighed quantity of all the ingredients in the given order in the mortar. First sodium phosphate, then sodium bicarbonate, then tartaric acid and last one is citric acid. And then crush the mixture properly with the help of pestle. Then place the empty porcelain dish on water bath with dish deep in water bath and wait for it to be heated. Then transfer the powder mixture in the hot porcelain dish. And place the porcelain dish again on the boiling water bath. Then mix the powder mixture with the spatula or stirrer until it forms cake or damp coherent mass. After some time it forms coherent mass. Then remove the dish from water bath and transfer the coherent mass on the sieve number 8, which is superimposed on sieve number 20. Then press the mixture with the help of the pestle to pass it from sieve number 8. Then collect the granules on sieve number 20 and then press it with the help of pestle to pass through it. After that, dry the collected powder mixture for about 2 hours, and after drying, transfer the powder mixture into the airtight self-sealing pouch. Now let's see the label for effervescent granules. Now in evaluation table, first evaluation test is weight. So the observed weight is 20 gram. Then the description of the given sample is white granules. The color of the given sample is white and the given sample is odorless. Then the next evaluation test is angle of repose. This is the setup which is needed to find out the angle of repose. Then pour the powder mixture into the funnel which is at a height of 2 cm from the graph paper. So now draw the outline or circle around the powder mixture on the graph paper. So this is the graph for angle of repose with diameter d1 equals to 7.8 cm, d2 equals to 7.5 cm and d3 equals to 7.4 cm. So in calculation we have to take the mean of diameter which comes out to be 7.56 cm and then the radius is diameter divided by 2, so it comes as 3.7 cm. After that theta or angle of repose is equals to tan inverse h by r, means height by radius. So by putting the values the angle of repose comes as 28 degree. Now this is the apparatus needed for the calculation of bulk density and the tap density. So the next evaluation test is bulk density. So here we have to place the powder mixture into the measuring cylinder and close the mouth with the cotton and measure the volume before tapping of the apparatus, which is called as bulk volume, which has been measured as 26 ml. After tapping, the volume measured is called as tap volume, which has been measured as 23 ml. Now let's see the calculation of bulk density. Bulk density equals to weight upon bulk volume. Then after putting the values, it comes as 0.77 gram per ml. Hence the bulk density is equals to 0.77 gram per ml. Now let's see the calculation of tap density. Tap density is equals to weight upon tap volume. Then by putting the values, it comes as 0.87 gram per ml. Hence the tap density of the powder mixture is 0.87 gram per ml. Then the last one is result. Hence 20 gram of effervescent granules is prepared, evaluated and submitted in the suitable container.